like, our front was initially, it was 2 courses of brick. So the blueprints called for us removing the first course, and then we were going to do a whole new brick face, make a more modern, more contemporary style brick instead of the older style. But when we demoed the first course of brick, the exterior brick, the inside brick was in really bad shape. It was horrible. So after talking to my mason, it's either we bring him block and we bring it up to current code, or we just demo it and do all framing. And so we went with that. I talked to my architect, and so he's going to make changes to the plans that when I have my inspection, it's not going to be the main sheet. We're going to say, hey, it's attached back here, and this is what the architect says. So he puts in there, for load bearing and all that kind of thing. So if you do make major changes like that, make sure you put it in the blueprints. Typically the inspectors are pretty cool, and that's the one thing, you always, when we first got in, everyone's like, you're trying, a lot of people were telling us, don't use permits, don't do inspections, it's a pain. I mean, I'm just looking at some of those people that used to tell us that, I'm like, and a lot of them are actually out of business now, and it's like, always get permits. And remember, inspector's your friend, especially as an owner, because if your contractors aren't doing something right, you hope that the inspector will catch it, Because I don't know all the codes. I'm the GC, so it's general, right? I know a little bit about everything, but I don't know the specific codes. The more I do this, I'll probably get to that place where I know everything, but, so I'm relying on my plumber to do it right, my electrician to do it right, my framer to do it right, and then I'm looking for the inspector to then catch things that may not be done right. So I don't argue with them. If they tell me to do something, I do it. Just do it. Just do it. And when you do that, you're in a good reputation. If you sit there and argue with them, and well, my electrician said we don't need to do this. Okay, because I had GCs that would do that, and all it does is creates problems. So
if something were to happen down the line as well, you have a permit, now the city is also partially liable, whereas if you did it without a permit, you're 100% on the bus. Thank you guys. You gotta be very careful coming down the ladders. This is gonna be